Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Is Wanda here now?
She is sleeping. She went to bed early, but I'll tell her you were here. I'm her brother. It's okay.
I see. She left this at the bar last night.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, well, we wanted to see if Wanda wanted to come to a party with us.
A party?
Yeah. It's fun. No boys.
No boys. Interesting.
Yeah. It's kind of a tradition. We make a lot of noise. Everybody's being silly.
I'll go get her. So, come on in. So I'm gonna go upstairs and check on Wanda. She'll be right down, okay? Yeah. Wanda!
What is it?
Hurry up and get dressed. Your friends are waiting.